morning, guys. Welcome again to your English class. This is week number 9, and today we have a session of writing. What is the learning goal for today? For today's lesson, we have the topic of writing an email. Keep that in mind, okay? Don't forget. The objective. What is the objective? To write an email with your personal news using expressions in the past. Okay? So, let's start with a question. Do you remember these verbs in the past? Let's check. Try. What is the past? Tried. Yes. Be. What's the past of be? Was or were. Remember that was is in singular and were is in plural. Come. The past is came. Go. The past is went. Yes. Have. What is the past of have? Do you remember? It's an easy verb, right? Have. The past is had. Buy, the past is bought. Drive, the past is drove. Take, what is the past of take? Took. And wake, the past is woke, right? And remember that we have two different verbs, regular and irregular verbs, okay? Don't forget that, it's very important. Let's continue. Do you often send emails? You, in your personal opinion, in your personal information, do you often send emails? Maybe you send emails, yes, once a week, twice a week, yes? Who do you get emails from? Who do you get? Maybe your teacher, maybe your friends, yes? Think about these questions, yes? Answer them, and we are going to share in the virtual class, okay? Now open your books to page 89 and let's read the email together, okay? So you will find in your books page 89 the email, and let's read, let's listen.
Hi, Lily. I tried to phone you, but there's no answer. Did your first exam go okay? Grandma came to stay yesterday. This morning we went to Rochester Castle. Then we had lunch in a restaurant next to the river. The castle was boring, but the lunch was nice. After that, Grandma bought me 2 t-shirts for my birthday. Lucky me. Guess what? I asked Grandma about Dad's job at the gas station. She said that he lost his job after only 3 days because he was late for work every morning. Phone me. Lots of love, Max.
Okay, we have this email, yes, about Max, who's writing the email. The email is writing Max, okay? And about this email, we have some questions to answer, okay? Now let's answer the following questions. And you will find 3 questions. Who wrote the email? Who's the person? Remember that we use who for when we ask for people. Who wrote the email? Number 2, who did he write to? Yes. And number 3, who is staying with Max and his dad at the moment? Yes. Have you got the answers? Yes, no? Okay, let's think about the answers. Yes. And we share in the virtual class too. Okay? Now, we are going to focus on the parts of an email. Okay? Look at the writing box and find the examples of the phrases in Max's email. Okay? And in your books, you will find this writing box. Okay? In this writing box, you will find the parts. Yes? How can you write an informal email? Okay? For example, the greetings. Yes? We are going to focus on Max's email. Don't forget that, okay? The greetings, or the greetings, no problem. We say, hi, Lily, right? Ask for news. We have some examples. How are you? Did your exam go okay? Did you have a nice Christmas? How was your week? Yes, when you ask for news, we always ask a question. Yes, ask for news as a question. And in Max's emails, yes, in the example, we had this example. How are you? Did your first exam go okay? Right? Let's continue. Give your news from the last few days. What did you do? What did you do the last few days? Maybe if today, for example, today is Monday, right? It's an example. If today is Monday, what did you do on Friday? What did you do on Saturday or Sunday? Yes, you have to give the information about the last few days. And in Max emails, we have this information, okay? Grandma came to stay yesterday. We went to Rocher Castle. We had lunch in a restaurant. Grandma bought me 2 t-shirts, okay? So we are using past simple. Remember that. Let's continue. Add some funny or surprising news. Yes, a surprise. Yes, a surprising news. For example, guess what? I asked Grandma about that shop at a gas station. She told me, yes, it's a little long, so I didn't write all of it, okay? But no problem, you can find the example in Max email. Let's continue. The last part, yes, the closing sentence. Of course, you have many options, yes. You can say see you soon, you can say write back soon, phone me, right? And in Max email, we have the example of phone me. And the last part is the ending, right? The ending. In this chart, you will find love, lots of love and hugs, right? Kisses. And in the example, we have the expression lots of love, okay? So, in this part of the class, you are going to work, okay, individually, and you are going to create your own email. What are you going to tell me about? You are going to tell me about the last few days, okay? The last few days. So think about what are you going to tell me, what are you going to write in your email, and you will write your email, and in the virtual class we will share your answers, okay, your email. So please be ready to read, okay? So we finish with this part. Remember that when we write an email, we have some parts to respect, okay? Thank you very much. Check this part, check the writing box, and complete the activities. Thank you very much. Goodbye.